Hi guys, this is Gagan Singh reporting today from the most picturesque, absolutely radiant, refulgent Nainital. You can see the amazing skies, awesome pole-shaped mountains and that wonderful Lake Naini right there. It almost looks as if it's an AI-based Photoshop thing, but guys, believe you me, it is the real stuff. And this is what we really call an absolutely marvelous picture. Now you may wonder that from these amazing mountains of Nainital, this wonderful, serene, majestic lake, what are the big leadership thoughts that I'd like to share with you today? And from these wonderful mountains today, I would like to talk about the principle of success. Because quite often, a misinterpretation of the term success can lead to a situation where we experience a dejection about not easily attaining the goals, not winning at the task that we are trying to win at. So in order to tell you the real definition of success, let me take you back to the epic Mahabharata. That great final battle was going on between Angaraj Karan and Arjun. And both were with all ferocious intensity going all out to give everything to it. And contrary to the popular thought, as the battle intensified, suddenly from nowhere, Lord Krishna praised Angaraj Karan. That, oh Karan, you are absolutely marvelous, you are truly great. Upon this, Arjun was mystified, really flummoxed, and he asked Lord Krishna, I am at your side, I am your disciple, I am standing for truth and fighting so bravely. My arrows are pushing Karan's chariot back by such amazing distances, and yet you are not praising me, but you are praising Angaraj Karan. Why is that? Upon which Lord Krishna gave a reply, which is a very vital message for all of us to understand. Lord Krishna said that, hey Arjun, Karan is at this juncture trapped in a very complicated situation where he's not fighting one enemy, but he's fighting 5 enemies. Owing to the curse of his own Guru Parshuram, he has forgotten his great powers. Owing to his chariot driver, who's demotivating him, he's having a leader who, instead of encouraging, is actually pulling him down. Being forced to fight for the evil Duryodhan, when he knows that Duryodhan is not right, he also has a challenge where he's surrounded by people who are negative. Then in front of him, you, one of the greatest opponents, the toughest to beat opponent are there, and above all, the person who's supporting you, Arjun, is no one else but me, Krishna, the creator of the universe, and on our chariot, there is Lord Hanuman. Despite all of these tough circumstances, Angaraj Karan is truly amazing, truly successful, not because of the fact that he's a great archer, not because of the fact that he's shooting great arrows, but because he's fighting 5 negative forces at the same time, and yet instead of giving up, every time when you push him back, he takes out his arrow, places it on his bow, and with all power that he has, all techniques that he remembers, all energy that he still has, he fights back at you. And even with this challenging situation, he pushes your chariot back by a few feet. So my beloved Arjun, Karan is truly great, truly successful not because of the fact that he's winning this battle. It's very unlikely that he will win, but because even from a losing position, he's giving it such brave effort that he really is truly remarkable because of that. And that, my worthy viewers, is the principle of success which every Zen leader, every MBA student, every future CEO aspirant must believe on. Quite often, just like Angaraj Karan, you will have a situation where you might not be attaining the end result that you want. A customer who's very tricky to persuade. A boss who, instead of supporting you, is acting against you. Maybe peers who, instead of supporting you, are pulling you down. At these times, it's quite likely that whatever targets you set for yourself, whatever mission you are trying to achieve, may be literally a mission impossible. However, what a smart Zen leader always realizes is, it is not in winning every time that we become successful. It is in realizing that we have one more arrow left, we have one more battle left, we have one more attempt left, and not getting dejected by the fact that we failed the previous one. So my worthy viewers, inspired by the tale of that unsung hero Angaraj Karan, my message from this picturesque Nainital to all of you is that success is not about winning every battle that you fight for, but success is all about even losing some battles, but then rebounding with double the power, double the energy to come and give it far greater effort the next time. So long as you lost the order, but you went back with an improved proposal, you are on the path of success. So long as you could not accomplish that merger, but you came back with a better proposal, you are on the path of success. So long as you lost that interview but did not get rejected, prepare 10 times more. You prepared for the GD guesstimate 10 times more. You are not unsuccessful. You are right on the path of success. Please remember, unsuccessful is not the person who doesn't win, but the person who decides to give up trudging on the path of righteous, successful effort. So every day, please remember, it's not about becoming the best of the world, it's about becoming the best that you can be. This is Gagan Singh signing off from this amazing picturesque Nainital, and may the legendary spirit of Angaraj Karan, the blessing of Lord Krishna, always inspire you.